loves, happy Sunday. We're doing a quick meal prep. I was obsessed with the meal prep from last Sunday, so pretty much I'm doing the same thing but just adding different vegetable, different nutrients, and then I'm adding chia seeds and pecans. It could be walnuts, let me see. We're doing lettuce, so I have lettuce all in the little bowls. Pecan, cottage cheese, lettuce. There's a whole bunch of ripped up lettuce, quickly ripped a whole bunch of it because I didn't have enough last time. I feel like I needed more crunch in my meal, so I added way more lettuce. And then I added 2 spoonfuls and then like a half of a spoonful, so almost like 3 spoonfuls of cottage cheese on the little corner. And then the same thing, only 1 avocado. Cut it in half, then in half and in half, so that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 little avocado slices. Do not take off the brown thing. It will last a lot longer, it'll stay green. You could cut 2. I'm gonna cut mine. Once I finish this that same day, I'll cut it and put all the rest of them, just so it's really fresh and not brown. But if you wanted to, you could just cut everything now and then put 1 little sliver in each bowl. I chopped up tomatoes and put them in the bag. I chopped up 2 tomatoes. I won't use it all. It's only just for color and for nutrients, but I'm only putting a little bit, like a teeny bit. That's it. Almost nothing I'm putting on. I don't want to like overdo it. Sometimes tomato can actually not be good for you. Do the research and look into it. Sometimes it actually causes like pain in your body. Not everyone, but for me, I stopped eating tomato every day. And I did feel like I felt better. I don't know if it was a coincidence, but now with tomato, I sometimes will skip this step, but we don't have any cucumbers, so I have to have some other type of color. I need more color in my meal, which is why I'm still using it. And then when I do use it, I only use like a teeny bit. This is chopped up in little pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little dots, like barely nothing. That's 2 tomatoes full, and that's all I use, like almost nothing. I probably should have only used 1 tomato, it is what it is. Now we're gonna put this is beets. Beets look like, you get them from Costco. It comes in a pack, I believe, of 3 or 4. Beets come like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them in each packet. You just cut it, put them on a paper, and you can chop it just in slivers. It's super easy, it's already ready to go. You don't have to do like any tearing of the beets and all this, it takes too long. So Costco knows where it's up, and it's literally incredible. So sweet. This is your sugar. If you need sugar to a meal, like you need like a dessert, it's the most amazing sugar and so much nutrients. So I'm gonna add, pretty much I just cut it on the end and I ate it, the little end piece. And then I just cut sliver, slice. It'll be like circle-ish, ovals, depending on what Costco's company decided to shape it in. And so it doesn't have to be perfect, who cares? Some of them are bigger than the other. Just grab the slices and then place them. I'm gonna place them on one side. I might eat them by themselves, or I'll decide to mix them in my salad. But I want that option. So I'm just putting the slivers, kind of like stacked in order. You don't have to make it pretty like this, you can just throw it in there. I'm just placing them prettily. It does stain, so be careful with when you're using, make sure you're wearing something that you don't care, or you're, hold on, or, okay, wait, hold on, okay, there. Or you use like an apron, like a kitchen apron, so that your clothing is all protected and the apron will just get stained. Or just be very careful with beets. Very, very careful. It's so delicious. And we're gonna get so much delicious nutrients. Okay. I'm just throwing the rest of them in there. I actually used the whole bag. I probably shouldn't eat it. I already ate too many at this point. Okay, when I was cutting it. I actually used the whole entire container that you just saw, the little packet, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 meals. So that whole packet divided by 7 days, 7 servings, you could say. I feel like that's a good amount. So just 1 packet for all of those days. We'll put this in the fridge. Now let's add our main source of protein, which is the tuna, my favorite protein, high protein that you don't need so much, and you already like knock off so much of protein that you need for the day because it's so potent. So I'm just gonna add it. This is 2 cans worth of albacore tuna from Costco. I'm just putting it in a little section, a little triangle. There's 2 triangles on one side, and the whole entire other side is fiber and salad. And then we add the beets on that side. So we kind of are doing the bowl method for meal prepping, which I've been doing for years. In my opinion, it's the quickest, easiest, long-term. For 4 years, I've been meal prepping, and I probably wouldn't be as far along in this if I would have done it like measurements, if I'm being honest. People might be upset that I say that, but like, in all honesty, measurements and stuff, that all sucks. And it wastes so much time when you can just like visualize the plate and you'll be fine. So, just throwing that in there quickly and efficiently. Dropped some. I put a little bit too much here. You can always eye it. You could also use more, but I do have the cottage cheese, and this one has high protein cottage cheese. Again, at Costco in bulk. You buy all this in bulk and it lasts you for like a month or 2. If you're eating it alone, yeah, like I would say a month. If you eat it every single meal prep, every single day. If not, it can last you like a lot longer. I finished mine already, so. Okay. Amazing, quick and easy. I just added a couple of different things to this week's, but literally it was so delicious. I just had to have it again. Like I would get so excited for my break at lunch at work just to eat this. And the day of, salt, and then my vinaigrette from Costco. It's a major brand. And then olive oil, but salt just everywhere. And I put the balsamic vinegar. I put that only on the salad. 1, 2 strokes. Olive oil, 1, 2 strokes. So only on the long side, which I'll show you right now. I'm also gonna add pecans. I feel it's gonna be so good with the beets. So I'm just crushing pecans and throwing it in the salad. I'll crush like 2 pecans just for flavor. And then throw it in the salad. 1, 2, 1, 2. You guys could do this way better. You could just chop it up with a knife on a cutting board, and then you can actually even roast it because this is all raw. You buy all your nuts raw. 1, 2. You could roast it by just putting on a small little pan, throwing out the little crushed, chopped pecans, and then putting it in like medium to low heat, and it makes it even, it brings out the flavor even more. But to me, pecans are bomb just by itself. Like, I don't need to do all the fancy stuff. It's really good. But if you want to be fancy and make it even more delicious, you can. It just takes more time. Chloe, she's right here with us. She's eating her dinner. Okay. And last one. You don't have to add, this is all optional. It just gives, this is healthy fats and more nutrients. Now I'm doing chia seeds for nutrients. I'm putting it again on the salad. You can put it really anywhere. It tastes like nothing. It just literally brings nutrients to your body. For health purposes. I'm just doing a little bit of like a pinch for each, and I'm putting it on the salad. I ended up mixing everything for when I eat it. When I actually eat it, I like shake the little bowl, and then I like, cause I put the vinegar and oil and salt before I leave to work. So I cover it, put it in the lunchbox, which I just got a new one too. It's coming in the mail soon, which I'll a haul on my Amazon, everything I got. And then it's in the little lunch bucket with a little ice. Then once I get to work, I put it in the fridge, and then when I grab it from the fridge, I like shake it. And then I like go to eat it, and it's like heaven. So I'm excited to try this. I might eat this one differently though, because the beets are here. I might eat those first, or I'll break it up, and one day I'll break up all the beets, put it in the salad and shake it up. Because I know they're like little circles. I can make it even finer and smaller. And then maybe it'll taste even better because every single bite will have a beet flavor with everything mixed together. Also the avocado, in the moment, I kind of use the fork to mush it up and then take out the brown part. And I just throw it in the trash and wash my hands, and I break everything up. Amazing. Obsessed. This is a really good combination with the protein tuna, avocado, and the cottage cheese, and the lettuce and the salad pretty much. Amazing. Quick and easy meal prep. And nutritious. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands because the beets, just in case. Really make sure the beets are out of your nails. It will stain your white clothing. Okay. Perfect. And be careful, this is where I had the beets. I don't want to get my fingers dirty. Let me trash this real quick so I can show you guys the results. Okay. We are finished with this week's meal prep. It's similar to last week, just a couple different adds to it, like the beets, the chia seeds, and the pecans. It is such high protein, fibrous, low carb, and healthy fats, and tons of nutrients because all the different colors. The more colorful, the more healthy, and the more nutritious. Better for your gut health, your microbiome, everything, honestly. And that is that. I'm going to now this is my little dessert for today. I just had my dinner. Greek yogurt, low sugar, high protein. The cleanest one at Costco in bulk. What this company is like low carb, low sugar. It's like a fake granola, but it's so delicious. Blueberry granola, it's so healthy for you. It's expensive, but it's healthy. And it gives you this actually has protein in it too. It literally is a protein granola with low carb and low sugar. And then the reason that it's the color is like that color is because I put peanut butter powder that's high protein, low carb, and like no sugar. It's the best on the market. It comes in a powder form. Everyone needs to have it. You put it in smoothies, it just gives more protein. No sugars, no carbs, and tastes delicious. A healthy like dessert snack that's so protein based, which is what we need. Well, we want to go outside because the door. Usually I like to only use the round ones, but I couldn't find them. So we're using this today. Now I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Okay, loves. I love you guys so much. I'll be right back. We're gonna do self-care Sunday, face mask, feet mask, and then massage again later tonight because it's just self-care for the rest of the night, relaxation, winding down. We're starting a brand new week tomorrow, getting all of our shit together, prepared everything I did in the morning for like getting cleaning, laundry, preparing my outfits. Everything was done earlier, so it was just the only thing I was really missing was just the one lunch I have for my breaks at work. And yeah, and I'm pretty much, we're just relaxing now. I had to get some other work done, but yeah, just face masks and feet masks I want to do today, I think. I love you guys so much. I'll see you soon.